Well, I stayed 5 nights, and the morning of the 6th day in a hotel in Biloxi, Mississippi. Well, when we left, I noticed there was tape all over the windows and buildings. I didn't really know what was going on, but 30 minutes later, after we left, Hurricane Andrew hit that hotel and wiped it clean to the ground. And I just wanna say, if there's anyone out there that was in that hotel for 5 nights with me that survived Hurricane Andrew, I just want you to know I love you with my heart and soul, 'cause there was so many good and amazing people at that hotel.